Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to add new transactions in the MonsynApp and what actually kind of transactions do we have. So the first thing, you need to log into your account, and the first page that you can see is dashboard. On the dashboard we can add new transactions here. So here we can see that we have expense, transfer and income. Also we can see the recent transactions. Here we have no transactions because we did not add any of them. So we will add today the new transaction. What also I wanted to say is that new transactions can be added on the transactions page here by clicking a new button. So let's say we need to add an expense. We need to choose from which account we did this expense. Let's say it was my cash, category food, and we can add a note if we need it. Let's say that it was coffee and we spent dollars, and it was not today, it was yesterday. We're adding this expense, and now we can see that yesterday we spent $12 for from my cash account for food, and it was coffee. So now we can see that the total expense $12 for this last 7 days. Maybe if we will choose today, we will not see any of the expenses. We need last 7 days. So let's say we need also to add income. Income we can add to what account we need. Let's say that we need my bank account, and the category is salary. We don't need to add a note here. We can add here, and it was today. We can add income, and now we can see that the income is here. It was today for to my bank account USD, and it was salary. The total income for last 7 days 1,000, and the total expense $12. Also we can add transfer. The transfer, let's say that we need to add a transfer from my bank account dollars with dollars to my cash but hryvnias. Let's say that I want to add 100. We can see the exchange rate here, and we can see that my cash I want to add not in the dollars but in hryvnias. So I want to transfer $100 from my bank account to my cash, but from dollars to hryvnias. And let's say that we did it today. We're adding this transfer. And now we can see that we did a transfer $100 to hryvnias today from my bank account to my cash. This you can also see on the dashboard page. We can see that the recent transactions here, all of the three of them that we added. We can edit them if we need. We can add a new transaction also on the dashboard, and we can see the updated net worth. So this is how you can add new transactions, expense, transfer and income in the MonsynApp. You can add them in the dashboard, on the dashboard page and on the transactions page.